Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this first module, we are going to learn about the concept of non-profit organization and its important features. Enterprises are profit-earning entities since their main objective is to earn profit. In contrast to these entities, there are also non-profit organizations whose main objective is to earn profit but to serve the society and its members. Non-profit organizations are also known as non-profit organizations and are set up with the objective to further cultural, educational, health, religious, public services to public or members, etc., not with the purpose of earning profit. Examples of such organizations are schools, colleges, public hospitals, literary societies, societies for promotion of sports, arts and culture, social welfare organizations, clubs, etc. Funds required for the activities of a not-profit organizations are normally sourced by its members, trustees, etc. as donations, membership fees, and subscriptions. A non-profit organization is one which is not driven by profit but by the dedication to a given cause that is the target of all income beyond what it takes to run the organization. Non-profit organizations are often used for trust, cooperative, advocacy, charity, environmental, and religious groups. Non-profit organizations can be defined as an organization in which no owner, stockholder, or trustee shares in profits and losses and which exist not to earn revenue but to promote a mission that enhances the public welfare. These organizations are often eligible for tax-exempt status and some, but not all, can receive tax-deductible contributions. The important features of non-profit organizations are: first one, service motive. The purpose of establishing non-profit organization is to further cultural, educational, religious, professional objectives and rendering service to people at large. The organizations have a motive to provide services to its members or a specific group or to the general public. They provide services free of cost or at a bare minimum price as their aim is not to earn the profit. They do not discriminate among people on the basis of their caste, creed, or color. Examples of services provided by them are education, food, healthcare, recreation, sports facility, clothing, shelter, etc. Second important feature is members. Non-profit organization is managed by a group of individuals often called trustees or managing committee. The organizations are formed as charitable trusts or societies. The subscribers to these organizations are their members. Third point is management. Not-profit organization is managed by a group of individuals often called trustees or management committee. The managing committee or the executive committee manages these organizations. The members elect their committee. Fourth point is source of income. Funds for its operations are given by its members and donors as entrance fee, membership fee, subscription, and donations. It is supplemented by surplus from operations. The major source of income of non-profit organizations are subscription, donations, government grants, legacies, income from investments, etc. Surplus is an important feature of non-profit organization. The surplus generated in the due course is distributed among its members. The next point is reputation. These non-profit organizations earn their reputation or goodwill on the basis of good work done for the welfare of the public. Non-profit organizations prepares its financial statements every year, which includes receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. Non-profit organizations does not function with the objective of earning profit, but it does not mean that it can't earn profit, termed as surplus. Surplus is necessary to maintain its assets and also operations. Surplus is used for the objective for which it is set up, and it is not distributed among its members. Non-profit organization is set up as charitable society or trust. So it is not owned by any individual or group of individuals but belongs to the society. These are the important characteristics or features of non-profit organizations. Next, we are going to learn about the important statements prepared by the non-profit organizations. Not-for-profit organizations prepares annual or final accounts showing the financial transactions of the organization for its members and to comply with statutory requirements. The financial statements or final accounts of a non-profit organization include receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. The important funds received by non-profit organizations are donation, membership fee, entrance fees, subscription, loans, grants from government and or from other financial institutions. The other sources of funds are subscriptions, general donations, sale of old newspaper, sale of old sports material, interest on fixed deposits, interest on or dividend on government or general investment, locker rent, sale of scrap, proceeds from charity show, miscellaneous receipts, grant in aid, legacies, life membership fee, specific donations, sale of investment, endowment fund, receipt on account of specific purpose, interest on specific funds, investments, etc. The important payments of non-profit organizations are wages and salaries, rent, insurance, postage and courier charges, advertisement, entertainment expenses, audit fees, honorarium, repairs and renewables, upkeep of ground, conveyance charges, newspapers and periodicals, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of investments, etc. Next, we are going to differentiate non-profit organizations and profit-earning organization. In the case of non-profit organization, it is set up with the purpose to further cultural, educational purposes. But in the case of non-profit profit motive organizations, the purpose is to earn profit. In the case of non-profit organization, they are raised by way of membership fee, subscription, donations, etc. But in the case of profit motive organizations, they are raised as capital by the proprietor, partners, and share capital or borrowed funds, etc. In the case of non-profit organizations, financial statements prepared are receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. But in the case of profit motive organization, the important financial statements are trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. In the case of non-profit organization, the balance of income and expenditure account is either surplus or deficit. In the case of profit motive organization, balance of profit and loss account is either net profit or net loss. In non-profit organization, profits is not distributed among its members. But in the case of profit motive organizations, their profit is distributed among its members. These are the important differences between non-profit organization and profit motive organizations. Thank you.